There are three main types of transmissions used in modern vehicles. These include manual transmissions, automatic transmissions, and continuously variable transmissions, CVT. Manual transmissions require the driver to manually select gears using a clutch and gear lever. Automatic transmissions automatically shift gears based on the vehicle's speed and engine load. CVTs use a system of pulleys and belts to provide a seamless and continuous range of gear ratios. A manual transmission uses gears and shafts to transfer engine power to the wheels. Different gear ratios provide varying levels of torque and speed. Synchronizers ensure smooth gear engagement by matching gear speeds. Understanding these components is crucial for comprehending manual transmission operation. An automatic transmission uses internal components to shift gears automatically. Key components include a torque converter, planetary gear sets, and a valve body. The torque converter facilitates smooth power transfer from the engine. Planetary gear sets and the valve body work together to achieve gear changes. A CVT transmission utilizes a pulley and belt system to transfer power. The key feature of a CVT is its ability to provide continuous variable gear ratios. Unlike traditional transmissions with fixed gears, a CVT offers a seamless range of ratios. This continuous variability allows the engine to operate at its optimal efficiency point. By maintaining optimal engine speed, CVT transmissions enhance fuel economy. The design aims to provide the most effective power delivery across a wide range of speeds. Manual transmissions can experience several common issues affecting performance. One frequent problem is difficulty shifting gears, making smooth transitions challenging. Grinding gears is another common symptom, often accompanied by unusual noises. Clutch slippage can occur, leading to a loss of power transfer from the engine. These issues can stem from various causes, including worn components or improper adjustment. Addressing these problems promptly is crucial for maintaining the transmission's health and performance. Clutch linkage adjustment is crucial for proper manual transmission operation. Checking the clutch linkage ensures correct engagement and disengagement. Transmission fluid should be inspected for contamination. Low transmission fluid levels can cause shifting problems and damage. Automatic transmissions can experience several common issues. These problems include slipping gears, where the transmission unexpectedly shifts out of the selected gear. Harsh or erratic shifting is another symptom of a malfunctioning automatic transmission. A complete failure to shift gears is also a potential problem. Checking the automatic transmission fluid level is a crucial diagnostic step. The fluid's condition provides insights into the transmission's health. Identifying burnt fluid indicates potential overheating or excessive wear. Contaminated fluid suggests internal component damage or external leaks. Regular fluid checks can prevent costly transmission repairs. Proper diagnosis requires careful observation of fluid color and odor. A torque converter is a key component in automatic transmissions. It utilizes fluid dynamics to transfer rotational power from the engine to the transmission. The converter multiplies torque, especially at lower engine speeds. This multiplication enhances vehicle acceleration and overall performance. Common CVT problems include belt slippage within the transmission. Unusual noises emanating from the CVT are also indicative of potential issues. Erratic shifting behavior can signal a malfunction in the CVT system. Proper fluid maintenance is crucial for preventing CVT problems and ensuring longevity. Visual inspection of the CVT belt is crucial for diagnosing transmission issues. Inspect the CVT belt for signs of wear, such as fraying or thinning. Also, check for any visible damage to the belt, including cracks or breaks. Using the correct type of CVT fluid is essential for proper operation. Incorrect fluid can lead to premature wear and damage to the CVT components. The valve body in an automatic transmission is a critical component for gear engagement. It functions by precisely controlling the flow of hydraulic fluid within the transmission. This controlled fluid flow is directed to various clutches and bands. Activating these clutches and bands engages different gears, enabling the vehicle to accelerate and maintain speed. A diagnostic scan tool is used to identify transmission-related trouble codes. These codes provide information about potential issues within the transmission system. Accurate interpretation of these codes is crucial for effective diagnosis. Proper diagnosis leads to targeted repairs and minimizes unnecessary maintenance. Checking transmission fluid levels requires specific procedures. The correct fluid temperature is crucial for an accurate reading. Procedures may vary depending on the vehicle type. This guide provides a visual aid for proper fluid level checks. Gear ratios are compared across manual, automatic, and CVT transmissions. Manual transmissions use fixed gear ratios selected by the driver. Automatic transmissions employ planetary gear sets to automatically shift ratios. CVT transmissions offer a continuous range of ratios without discrete steps. The animation highlights the operational differences in gear ratio selection for each type. This video concludes with a review of key transmission maintenance points. Regular maintenance is crucial for prolonging the life of your vehicle's transmission. Remember to check transmission fluid levels and condition periodically. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for fluid changes. For complex transmission issues, consult a professional mechanic. Always prioritize safety precautions when working on or around vehicles.